Okay, so we're having a problem with rain, and specifically, see if we can pan up here, specifically this awning, what do they call them? Slide covers?
Slide out awning, I guess.
Yeah, slide out awning.
My word for it.
Yeah. So this thing, when it rains, the roof has the water cascade on the awning. So what we've been doing is when it rains, I come out with a broom and I help clear the water. But this can't be good for the awning fabric.
No.
I think it's actually getting looser.
Well, so I'm going up to sweep it in a moment here.
On the other side?
Yep. Well, here, you hold this now. I'll climb up there and get the rest of it. Yeah, it's coming down the other side over there. So here.
Just don't fall off. It's always my biggest fear with him getting on this stupid roof. There's still a bunch of water?
Yep.
Oh wow. I didn't realize there was that much water up there. So this is, every time it rains, this is what we have to do. It's ridiculous. And we just actually had the fabric replaced on all the slides too. So I don't know anybody who's watching this if this is just normal or if we should go and get the fabric restrung. I mean, maybe it's because the slide is so big or because all the water cascades off the roof there. I don't know.
Yes, probably. It's because it's so big. All the water gathers here because like the other two are fine. No water at all.
I don't know if you can
Maybe
even
it's
see
not
up here.
Hot enough? Do not know. Next time you go up there.
No, thank you. Not gonna happen. That's why I have you around.
Yeah.
So frustrating.